guys, it's me, E,
And it's me, C.
and today we are going to be showing you, well, I'm going to be showing you some of the slimes with that, but some, not all, some. So, yes, we're going to go get started, and we're not going to really do a long introduction because people hate those of these, so let's get started. Okay, so first is this peach one, and I really love it, and Claire bought these containers. She actually picked them out. So this is called peach butter, and it's really nice. It's like really creamy. And also we're gonna open a slime shop, and then this will be available. So search up peach cream. It's really nice, and hopefully you guys buy a ton of slimes, and also it comes with some extra features. So yeah, we really hope you guys enjoy this. And so yeah, so this is all for peach cream. Next we have yellow butter, and it's actually not a butter slime, but it's really like the color of butter, and it's really weird.
And it kind of looks like butter.
Yeah, that's what I just
Slime.
said. So the crackle noises are really good. Here, let me turn on a light. There. So this one's really good. It's a little bit sticky, but I'm not at a table right now. I'm actually on my bed because I'm just relaxing.
Yeah.
So I'm going to show you all the, I'm going to do a review, and we're going to test. But we're going to do this tomorrow because we post videos every, we haven't posted last Tuesday and the other Tuesday because we've been just so busy with school, you know. Okay, so this one, and we're gonna do a poke test. Next, this is called pink coral. So it's again a butter slime, and it's really good, and it comes in this container, and
Yeah.
it doesn't crackle because it's clay.
I'll be right back.
Okay, it's like clay, and it's really nice. It's just like so light. Next is okay. It comes in this container again, and this one's like it used to be like a really dark one, and then I added white Daiso clay to it, and it's really good now. And now it's like a blue buttery one, and I'll show you my Daiso clay. But I'm only gonna show you 4 packs because my other ones are because me and Claire other Daiso clays are in the garage somewhere. So this is really nice, and it's called Blue Raspberry Slush, and it's called Blue Raspberry Butter. Blueberry butter. Oh my gosh, Claire.
What?
She loves her iPad so much. She acts like a teenager.
No, I don't. Oh, you're the one that's been talking.
Okay, so get out of the video then. Get out. She's bye-bye. So it's really nice, and it's actually a really good size for it. So this will be on the slime shop too. So just put that there. And it doesn't really poke because it's slime. Next, I really love this one. It's called Blue Lagoon, and I made this on Saturday because I had it at my birthday party, and I made it, and it's so nice. So it makes really good crackling noise and pokes.
Oh, that's a good slime.
Yeah, and this isn't all of it because the blue because one's in a container. I just put I think like some blue Daiso clay in it, I think, to make it, yeah. This one's really nice, and it's really good, and it has a ton of glitter in it, as you can see. It makes really good slime. Okay, so back to slime swirl. Worst slime swirl compared to the best slime swirl. The best slime swirl you'll ever see. Okay, whatever. So it's really good, but it kind of hurts my hands because of the chunky glitter. There's some chunky glitter in there. There's some like flakes. You can see flakes, and it's really nice. Oh, container, and see, it's not very filled up. So next is this red cloud one, and it's very nice. It has some like, and it's a cloud cream, and it's super nice, and it makes some crackles because like it's brand new. So this one I didn't make. I just bought this one, but it's really good. The cloud ones I all bought because these are really good. Like okay, I'm not gonna say mine. So it makes it's this okay, and then it has glitter in here somewhere. See, you can see like the little dots, kind of. Comes in this container, and I just love these clear containers. It came in a bigger one, but this one I just broke in half and put it in this small container again. Next, I have this purple one, and it's the same one. And
Do you watch her videos?
no, you guys, okay. We're gonna give a shout out to Claire's favorite YouTuber. Show here, okay. This is her YouTuber. This is Claire's favorite YouTuber. It's LDS. So shout out to her because that's Claire's favorite YouTuber. I don't know why shout out to her.
I like Minecraft.
Yeah. This is a purple version, except it's not very it's not very hard like the other red one. It's not very hard. It doesn't make
Smell like cake like this.
Oh yeah, it smells like birthday cake. It smells so good. Okay, a little bit too bright. There. So it's very nice. And Corey, go down on the bottom. Corey, stop. Okay, so this is very nice. And yeah, it comes in the same container. And you might see this on the slime shop. And yep, we have another one of the peach, and we have 3 of these. Well, 3 that I'm going to show you. Okay, this one, look, this has a chunk of the white clay, and it won't mix in. Like, come on, please. Why do you do this to me? See, like, it's like, see, it's like white Daiso clay. It's like a little part, and this is the same as it's the peach cream, but you will see this on the slime shop, and I promise I will get all the chunks out and make it fabulous. So I have another one of those, and it's the same size as the other one. It's really creamy and buttery. I really love it. Now we have another one of these, but it's in a different container. So, so this one's bigger, and it's really nice. This one's probably the best one of all 3 of them. It's like more like stretchier, and it makes more like better like swirls. I'm gonna do noob versus pro. This is the noob, and pro. Okay, try to get the good slime swirl. People, I'm a noob, so okay, medium. Do a slime swirl, people. Oh, okay. I'm not the best, but it's really good, and I just love it so much. And we're gonna add some foam beads. Well, my friend's gonna add some foam beads, and it will just make it so perfect. And this is called peach slime, if you forgot. So make sure you get a notebook and pause the video, and you can write all the slimes that you want to buy. So, and we have more. It's just these are some. So we're gonna do a part 2. So this is like in this container, and it fits perfectly. So we're down to 2 more slimes. So this one I haven't mixed in.
Here you go. Alexa, stop.
Oh, it's Alexa. Hold on. Just finished with this. And then I didn't mix this one in yet. Okay, so it's the same except it's red, and then I just have a blue. Okay, that's actually it. So peeps, I hope you really like it, and yeah. And if you do, then make sure you comment below and tell us So if you do, then that would be great because we would love for people to know about our slime shop.